control from a Mercedes-Benz automobile seat adjustment. Yung control niya is shaped like a seat itself. So, this control,
ganun pala yun.
yung it's either
tilt. So mukha siyang upuan dyan.
Oh,
so pagka tinulak mo pa
so
harap yan, gaganin
mo. Oo, gaganin yung upuan. So pag tinulak mo pa
ayan.
talikod, hihiga yung upuan. So yan yung sinasabi nilang to move the front edge of the seat higher, lift up the front part. To make the seat back recline, move the back part. So yun yung sinasabi nilang. And then sa book naman, ang inaano niya is yung mas maganda daw ang mapping kung yung switch ng window